know what we're looking for. It's your belief relationship with your desire. It's your being in the vicinity of what you're asking about, being ready to receive what you're asking about. Because this is a sort of manifestation that happens here, isn't it? So if you're ready to be ready to be ready to be ready, then we have a really satisfying manifestation, yes? You follow what we're talking about? You think you're ready to be ready to be ready to be ready? Right here, stand if you think it's you. Yes.
Oh, wow. Oh, gosh. I love you. Oh. I got so many questions. But the one that was when I held up my hand is, I am planning on staying in this body for a long time. And you say, the new ones who come in, they are so frisky and capable.
Because they haven't picked up stuff along their physical trail to mute their brightness. You can restore yourself. That's what born again is. You can restore yourself to that pure positive energy as you focus yourself away from those resistant thoughts.
So my question is, how can you get physically old and stay tuned in, tapped in?
Well, your body is replacing itself over and over and over again. In other words, if you understand or accept that you are a cellular combination, that you're just a clump of cells, and your cells are really being guided by their cellular counterparts in the vortex. And so, unless you're thinking thoughts that hinder their ability to communicate with one another, then you will continue to thrive. It doesn't matter how much time you move through, because life is about vibration, and communication is about vibration. Energy is about vibration. Life is about vibration. So it's about being a little less aware of your physicality and not counting the years of your beingness so much, and paying more attention to the way you feel, which is about the connection that you have with the non-physical energy. Let it be an in this moment connection. Is my valve open? Are my circuits open? Am I fully receiving? Or do I have some memory that happened yesterday or 10 years ago or 20 years ago or 30 years ago, 40 years ago or 50 years ago, or however many years ago, that I'm using to pinch off the energy and vibration that could be there, because I'm choosing to focus upon something that nobody in my vortex is focused upon. Not my cells, not my inner being, not source energy. It's only when I choose things that are contradictory to who I really am, because this is the life. This is the ongoing life. And this ongoing life doesn't need to take me out into the ethers and out into the non-physical. This ongoing life will feed back to me in this physical body for as long as I am allowing it. So you have put through the life that you've lived so much life into your vortex, so much desire, and your inner being is focusing all of that at you. And a lot of you have an umbrella up, not letting it hit you, not letting it in. That made sense to you, didn't it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I love my life. I love my life. I love how it unfolds.
You have to like it a little bit now, and 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 a little bit now. Will you like it forever? Don't know, but I like it a little bit now, and a little bit now, a little bit now. What do you mean? I just feel good right now. So satisfying right now. It's just really satisfying right now. Esther was sitting. They have a lovely spot for her back there. Not as lovely as it is out here, but it's a lovely spot for her back there. And she's sitting there, and somebody put some flowers there, and someone put some water there, and just a nice chair to sit on. And she was sitting there, and she was thinking about you all running around doing whatever you're doing. And she was feeling the motor of the ship and the slight sway of the ship. And she was thinking, I could not be more satisfied in any other environment on the planet. There's nothing that I would rather be doing right now than this. And she didn't mean the this part. She meant the that part. She meant the sitting on that chair. She meant the sitting on that chair with the sort of sparse room that is around her. It's all in your willingness to allow the whole of who you are to wrap around you, see. And as long as you're happy in this body, then you will not be resisting the energy that is flowing to this body, and you'll continue to thrive. Thriving is a choice, but it's a choice that you make not just about thriving. Do you know that the choices that you're making about your body are not about your body? It's about how you feel about that, and how you feel about that, and how you feel about that, and how you feel about that. It's about what television shows you watch. It's about what books you read. It's about the people you talk to. It's about the things that fill your thought patterns. What's happening with your body isn't about your thoughts about your body. Oh, it's nice to have thoughts about your body, but most of your thoughts about your body are working too hard. Most of your thoughts about your body restrict the energy about your body because you're usually worried about some aspect of your body that you're not very happy about. And so you see what we're getting at?
Mm-hmm.
People think that what is making the difference in their life are those great, big, monumental thoughts. And we say, that's not what makes up the majority of your allowing or disallowing of this source energy. What makes up the majority of your allowing or not allowing your vibrational equivalency to your source energy are just the thoughts that you have that you would deem in most cases not that important about the things that are going past you and through your life experience. As you start looking for reasons to feel good and caring about how satisfied you are and meditating enough that you clear the pathway just a little bit and then reach more and more for positive aspects and find yourself determined to be selfish enough to feel satisfaction and satisfaction and satisfaction so that no matter where you're standing, no matter what's going on around you, you're feeling the satisfaction of it. Then life just gets so good that people will look at you and say, well, of course you're satisfied. You're wealthy and you're healthy and only good things come to you. Of course you're satisfied with life. And you would like to explain to them while you don't have time and they probably can't hear, no, I was satisfied before that came. The satisfaction came first and then all that filled in around it.